This year, the 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is a midsize SUV that has been totally redesigned. It's one of the best off-road cars on the market, even though it's bigger, louder, and fancier than ever. Here are some of the most important things about the 2024 Pajero Sport. The new Pajero Sport looks more powerful and up-to-date than the old one. The hood in front is bigger and stands out more, and the headlights are now LED. Along with a longer wheelbase and wider track, the SUV has a more stable stance. Cabin: the Pajero Sport's cabin looks better than it did before. It's made of better materials and has more soft-touch trim. Both the front and back seats have more legroom and headroom, and the seats are more comfy. Specifications: the Pajero Sport has a 3.0-liter V6 engine that makes 259 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque. It comes with either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, and the engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic gear. Ability to go off-road: the Pajero Sport can really go off-road. The low-range transfer case, hill slope control, and locking rear differential make it a good car. Good approach, exit, and breakover angles for the SUV mean it can handle even the roughest terrain. Technology: the Pajero Sport has a tablet infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and a surround-view camera system, among other tech features. Overall, the 2024 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport is a big step up from the last model. Now it looks better, feels better, and can do more than ever before. Consider the Pajero Sport if you want a midsize SUV that can handle anything. Some more information about the 2024 Pajero Sport is given below. The base trim level, GLX, costs $44,940, and the top-of-the-line GSR trim level costs $62,440. You can get the SUV in 6 different colors: red diamond, obsidian black, sterling silver, sandstorm, and impulse blue. The rear-wheel drive cars get 19 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Four-wheel drive cars get 23 miles per gallon on the highway and 18 miles per gallon in the city. A.